Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Play FIFA 18 for free from June 9 to 15. Try FIFA 18 on PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC for free. Powered by Frostbite, EA Sports FIFA 18 blurs the line between the virtual and real worlds, bringing to life the players, teams, and atmospheres of the world's game.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Launch the game. Launch FIFA 21 by clicking or starting it. Depending on your platform, the game can be found on your machine. On PS4 and Xbox One, it will be available on the main screen. On PC Windows, it can be found under the folder that you choose to install.
Take our lead.
Certain lucky users have been given the chance to play the closed beta version, but those who don't manage to get access will be able to play the public demo for an early taste of the game. Goal has what you need to know about how to play the FIFA 21 demo, when it will be released, and more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.